Hey everyone, Dr. Lee Brown here. Wanted to share another great success story for one of our patients. For a long time, he had some asymmetrical teeth. He had an old Maryland bridge that was on there, and it was finally time to say, all right, let's upgrade some things. Let's get some symmetry. Let's get the smile that really makes things pop. So you can see from our first image kind of where we started, some asymmetry of the front teeth, things just didn't really jive well, some different colors, it was just some older materials. But with good planning and really looking at the system and how it functions, we were able to upgrade with the materials and the shade and really pick something that gives them a more youthful appearance. It makes things look more aesthetic. So we're really excited that we have the opportunity to help with cases like this and really see things pop and enhance and give people that confidence that they're looking for in their smile. So if you have any questions about your smile or one of your loved ones, let us know. We love to talk about this stuff. We love to do it. We love to help because you deserve to be your best. All right, guys, have a good one.